Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly and I am in my Cryptopia account. So I'm going to see if I can do some purchases. I want to buy, you know my analogy of when you want to buy a cryptocurrency, an altcoin, alternative coin, you have to go to the coin store. So that's my analogy, and you want to buy a new quote-unquote dress at the store. So it's the coin you want to buy at the store. So the store is Cryptopia. And Cryptopia is an exchange that hosts or sells different coins. Okay, so I'm going to go to the exchange and I'm going to go shopping. So I'm looking for specifically the coin called Dash and Ethereum. I have a little Ethereum, but I want to get some more. And I see that they do have Ethereum. I could buy some here. So let's go ahead and click on that, ETH. All right, while we're waiting for it to come up. All right, it's on a downtrend, which is good because you always want to buy low and you want to sell high. So here it is way down here, and as you can see, it was up here. So that's good. I'm not buying at the top. All right, and scroll down, and if I want to use all my Bitcoins that are sitting here, I can do that, but I don't. Let's play around with it and see if I put all my, I click here and I put 0.03. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, I know. You have to go down to, if you want to buy it, you have to go find somebody who's selling them. Okay, so if I click on this first one, then it populates everything up here. All right. And in this case, this person here was looking to buy 0.012, and I have, yes, I have 0.032 Bitcoin. So that would be good if I want to go ahead and sell that many. I'm going to scroll down and see what else I see. 0.05, 0.05. Let's see what else. 0.0001. I'm just looking at the different amounts. I'm looking in this amount here because I don't really want to sell all. I don't want to use all of my Bitcoins, because what I'm looking to do is I want to buy about 2 or 3 different coins. So I want to split this amount up. So I might use 0.012 because that would be 0.012. That might be enough to get different 3 different coins. That's kind of what I'm looking for right now, is to have enough for that. So that might actually work. So, because I'll still have 0.02, because I take this number and I subtract this number from it. And when I subtract this from this, I'll end up with what looks like 0.02. Yeah, so that's not bad. Okay, all right, cool. I guess I'll go ahead and do that. So I would go ahead and click, because it populated everything once I went and found the one I wanted. I click buy. And here's my order submitted. Here's telling me I bought. And it gave me a little bit back. The last one said refunded because I didn't use all of the amount of Bitcoin that I said I was going to need. So I got a little bit refunded back. So you go back up, and it's just that quick. So just that quick, I bought some Ethereum. All right, so I'm going to go back up and look at my balance. And when I do, so now I have 0.28 Ethereums. Okay, all right, cool. And I still have some Bitcoin left. So I'm going to go back to the exchange. So I'm going back into the store, back into the market, and see what else I want to buy. And I think I want to see if I can get some Dash. So I go over here, and I was going to type it in, but I see it right down here, Dash. All right. So I'm looking at it now. This one is at the top, so I really shouldn't be buying it at the top. I need to wait for it to come down. All right. Technically, I should do that. So I'm going to go see if there's any other coins I want to get into right now. I'm going to go to CoinMarketCap with a list of all of them. So I have Bitcoin. I have this. Let's try BitcoinCash to see if it's sold there. So it's BCH is the symbol. So let's go see if the Cryptopia store offers that one. So it was BCH. Okay, they do offer it. Let's click on that and look at the chart, see where it's at. Okay, we'll wait for it to come up, and it is loading. Okay, cool. Now that one's at a low amount, so I could technically get some of that one. Let's see. I have 0.019 Bitcoins available. Let me find somebody who's selling some of their BCH. They have it and they want to sell it. I have these and I want to get these. So let me look and see where we are. I have 0.019 and this is 0.0015. This one might not be bad right here. 0.014, which would leave me a little bit left of my Bitcoin. Let's see what else. Scroll down a little bit more. This is 0.017. 0.017. I think I'll do that one. Okay. So I'm going to make sure you get this right. 0.8. That doesn't look right. Maybe that's not right. Because that looks like if I have this much available, and this is going to be too much. So that can't be right. Maybe I clicked on something wrong. Let me go back and look again. Move this over a little bit. Make sure I'm seeing everything correctly. Alright, so I'm scrolling down. And okay, yes, that's what happened. That's what happened. So let me open this up more so I can see better. So I was looking. Let me see. Scroll down. There we go. Okay. So here, I was looking here, and I think I need to look here, I think. Let's see. Maybe. And I'm just going to investigate here. Well, I guess I could, because it looks like it's more than what I'm willing to spend and what I'm willing to have, or in terms of what do I have in my wallet. So in my wallet, I have this much. And if it costs this, then I don't have enough in my wallet to pay for that. So now let me look at one of these smaller ones. Now, since my wallet is not enough to pay for this, I'm just going to see, can I just put how much I want to buy? Will it let me do that? Nope. About here? Let's see if I change this to 0.01. Let's see if I can do that. Total Bitcoin is 0.06. I don't think I have enough for that either. Let's see what it'll tell me. Okay, good. Insufficient funds. I want to make sure I'm doing it right. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it down here. 0.01. Let's see what we got now. Okay, good. Order submitted, and the order was placed. Okay, cool. So I had to put the correct amount here if I'm going to enter it in myself. I'm going to have to put it in here. And so it took that, the one that was sitting right here, I put it in this spot, and I bought some BCH, and I still have 0.009 Bitcoin left to go ahead and buy something else. So first I'm going to go look at my balances and see what I have. Let's see what we have in my thing. I have BTC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic. Let me refresh it because I think I just bought some Bitcoin Cash, so I need to see it in here somewhere, I would imagine. Unless it's still pending. Okay, maybe it's still pending. Okay, cool. So now I have this much Bitcoin in my wallet, and I'm going to go shopping again to see what else I want to buy in the store. So I'm going to go back to the list of all the cryptocurrencies and see what else I might want to get if it's offered in the store. So I have this, I bought this. I was trying to buy this, but that was at the top of the thing. Yo, I wonder if they have Bitcoin Gold. Let's see. So the symbol is BTG. I'm going to go see if they have that as well. BTG. Alright, cool. They do have... Oh, wait a minute. Check this out. This says BitGem, but I wanted Bitcoin Gold. So make sure you're careful that you are getting exactly what you want, because sometimes they might have the same symbol, and you want to make sure that it's the exact same coin you want. Alright, so that's not what I want. That's BitGem. That's not what I want. So take that out. And I want to look at Litecoin. Litecoin is LTC. I don't know if I have any Litecoin, but let's look at the chart. Okay, it's loading now. Let's see what we're looking at. Okay, that's kind of down low. And let's look at the price here. Litecoin is at 88. Okay. Now, just so you know, I normally do more research than this, but this is a completely different strategy. This strategy I'm doing right now is I want to get a little piece of everything in the top 10. So that's what I'm doing right now. The little bit of Bitcoin that I had sitting there, I wanted to split it up between 3 different coins that were in the top 10. So that's why I'm doing what I'm doing right now. Normally, I would do much more research on a coin before I just bought it. Okay, so this is a completely different strategy. So if I was going to do all the research, I would click on this and I would look to see, I'd check out the chart after it loaded. Okay, cool. I'm look at the chart. Okay, good. Look, it's growing. That's pretty good. I like that. Okay, that's the complete chart for as long as it's been in circulation. The coin has been in circulation. I would click to see the markets. I would also click to see the website, and I would do my research to figure out, okay, is this a good coin? What is this coin about? Who are the founders of the coin? Who are the creators? What was their mission? What I would read the white paper. I would just go in depth with a coin that I was not familiar with. Okay, I have an idea because Litecoin has been around for a while, and but I still need to do intense research. But I want to make sure that you understand that in this particular case, I'm just looking for the top 10. I'm just gonna put a little bit of money in each one of those. But for the record, if you're going to do cryptocurrency trading, you want to investigate what a coin is about completely. Okay, so. Let's go back to the store, the Cryptopia store, and we were looking at Litecoin, and we said that it was, let's wait for it to come up. Okay, so cool, it's at a low. Okay, that's cool. I don't want to buy something at a high. You don't want to do that. You want to buy it on a dip. All right, you have a better chance of making money when you do that. Okay, cool. I have 0.0009, so I'm going to go ahead and put that right on in here. I'm going to enter it in instead of trying to find a sell order. I'm just going to go ahead and tell it this is how much I have, so somebody, you know, who wants to sell it is going to get it. So 0.00997. I'm going to leave it at 997. Okay, so I'm going to leave this little part off. And this part over here is only like, 20 cents or not even 20 cents. It might be like 1 cent or less. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And, oh, I know what I'll do. Because the rest of this didn't populate. I'm going to click one of these. It populates up here. And then I'm going to go change it. And then hopefully everything else up here will repopulate according to what I'm going to change it down here. Let's see if that works. 0.0099. Yes, it's doing it. Okay, cool. So you go down here, click on one that you want, that at least to get something populated up here, and then change it according to how much is in your wallet. And then everything changes. So now it looks like I'll be able to get about 11 Litecoins if everything goes through. And let us click buy. Okay, I have insufficient funds. Oh, okay, you got to pay for the, it's going to cost this, and I think you have to pay for something else. So let me go down to 6. You have to pay for the transaction. Let's see if that will do it. Nope. Okay, let's try something else. Let's do 99. Let's do 995. Nope. Okay. I'm glad I'm doing this online so you guys can see that sometimes your trades, you have to play around with it to get it to do whatever you need it to do. Let me see. Oh, maybe this is it. No, 0.009. I have 0.009 is 0.008. And the sum is this. So it looks like I have enough. Let me see. No. What if I just do that? 0. Oh, that's why. That's why. I had only 1 0. I think that was why. 0.009. I'm going to still go with 997. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, so it's my fault because I didn't put 2 zeros here like I had 2 zeros here. So now these are my orders being filled and and the refund. I know you saw that thing where it said refund because I paid too much and so it gave me a little bit back. All right, cool. So now, finishing up this video, Have a good one.